Log into your Facebook account. Open the Social Media Posts, the 1 Hour Workweek Google document in another tab. Choose any of the posts under the Facebook Post category. Scroll down the pages under the Facebook Post category and use the posts where you see an attached image that says Download Image. Click this link to retrieve the image that is redirected from our Dropbox account. Click Create Post at the top of your Facebook wall. Copy, then paste your post. Add both the image and post text with the hashtags to gain maximum benefit when posting. Don't forget to connect your personal affiliate link to these posts so that you can retrieve credit for all prospects who become active members. Here's a sample affiliate link. It's https://the1hourworkweek.com/ref equals Adrian2 you can use in your video product. Important, make sure you remove the bracket when you insert your affiliate link. Your post will not function properly if you don't. After finalizing the content and caption, click Post to share it on your profile. Note: share the post and image on your social media page. Click the link to show that it works to redirect to our website homepage.